They say what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, but the mind-blowing escapades of CES 2026 are impossible to keep under wraps. From January 6th to 9th, thousands of innovators, executives, and tech enthusiasts flooded the Las Vegas Convention Center to witness the next wave of breakthroughs. AI was everywhere, powering everything from household helpers to life-changing health tools, while robotics, mobility, and immersive tech stole the spotlight. Attendees left wowed by innovations that promised to reshape daily life across multiple sectors. Here are some of the standout highlights that had everyone talking. Humanoid robots, the rise of physical AI. Humanoids dominated the floor, moving from prototypes to practical applications in homes, factories, and beyond. Boston Dynamics Atlas impressed with its natural walking and durability, set for real-world factory use soon. Check out these impressive humanoid robots in action. Mobility and autonomous vehicles, smarter, greener rides. The future of transportation accelerated with AI-driven EVs, robotaxis, and advanced autonomy. Concepts like luxurious robotaxis and next-gen electric concepts turned heads, blending sustainability with cutting-edge tech. Here are some futuristic mobility showcases. The electric show floor energy. The halls buzzed with massive crowds exploring AI-integrated gadgets, smart home upgrades, and health innovations that focus on longevity and proactive wellness. Other jaw-droppers included stair-climbing robot vacuums, rollable gaming laptops, ultra-bright next-gen TVs, Lego smart bricks for interactive play, and AI health wearables monitoring everything from posture to metabolic health. CES 2026 proved the future isn't coming. It's already here, more connected, intelligent, and exciting than ever. What innovation from this year's show excites you the most?